What do you need to create a perfect code? And customer satisfaction? Nice headquarters. More modern, like our solutions. People experienced, creative, open-minded, involved. Reliable equipment. Comfortable chairs. And let it bring to mind the speed we deliver products. A relaxed boss. More relaxed. Maybe not that much. Listening to the client's needs. Group meetings. An idea. Simpler idea. Coding. Coding in pairs. In a group. Free coffee. Coding on a bench. Coding from home. Tests. Receiving 147 emails with remarks. More coffee. A new idea while drinking coffee. Meeting in a group. Sharing knowledge and experiences. Each Tuesday.
Each Tuesday?
Yep. More coding. More coffee. Okay, enough coffee. A break. A psychologist's support. More modern support. Building ties. More relaxed. More coding. Ready. This is how we create an excellent code at Stepwise. Join our team. Your coffee is waiting for you.